We're in Surfside Beach, South Carolina at the newest buffet. That's right, the Southern Chicken. Let's check it out. What's up, everybody? We are beaching with the Boones, and if you love Myrtle Beach and the surrounding Grand Strand area just as much as we do, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you won't miss a thing. Let's check out the Southern Chicken.
Welcome to the Southern Chicken.
The Southern Chicken is located at 1012 Highway 17 North in Surfside Beach, South Carolina. Traditionally known for country cooking, they offer the best chicken, shrimp, barbecue, and po' boys in Surfside and Myrtle Beach. And now they offer all-you-can-eat buffet. But don't think that that limits their selection of great food. If you don't want to scoop any of the hot, fresh food from the buffet, you can still order off their menu. You can get delicious items like wraps, sandwiches, po' boys, and their famous French fries. And don't forget about their wing specials. If you order items like tenders and shrimp, you can have it your way, like fried, grilled, buffalo, barbecue, buffalo garlic parm, teriyaki, garlic parm, and sriracha. And for the liver and gizzards lover, they are available and fresh. Unlike other buffets, the Southern Chicken knows that they don't hold well on the bar. And because you like them fresh, all you need to do is ask for them and they'll fix you an order right on the spot. And if you don't want a full meal, you can come in and get various sizes of sides. And if you're looking to get something for an event or large gathering, they cater as well, with multiple sizes to fit any function that you're having. And of course, Hog Heaven sauces. If you're on the go, they have a drive-through. But it's a pickup window, so make sure you place your order about 10 minutes ahead of time. Because to quote their motto, we're not fast food, we're fresh food. Along with all these outstanding dishes, they also have great fried flounder plates, flounder and shrimp, or flounder and scallops. Oh, did I mention their dessert bar? With some of the best banana pudding around. And I know firsthand. So when it comes to fresh food, either all-you-can-eat buffet or menu order, the Southern Chicken in Surfside Beach is the place to get all your favorite dishes. Make sure you're subscribed to see weekly surrounding beach videos. And as always, keep beaching.